guys, Joseph Graves again, trying to give you another update for the Columbia Property Trust, formerly known as Wells REIT 2. Earlier this week they sent out, or I should say that at the end of last week, they sent out an update in the quarterly statements, including some information regarding their plans to list on the New York Stock Exchange in October. So just to recap what they've done in the last few months to prepare for that, there's no more reinvestments, there's no more redemptions. They did a 4-for-1 stock split, which changed the current price to what is now $29.32 per share, with plans to list again on the New York Stock Exchange in October. One thing they did going forward is to cut the dividend from 38 cents per share to 30 cents per share. Stated reason was, again, in preparation for the IPO, make sure they have cash on the books, cover expenses, bring it in line with what other publicly traded real estate investment trusts are doing right now as well. So some details with regard to the IPO. They haven't given a lot yet. I did hear from them today, and they said that starting next week to just check the website, columbiapropertytrust.com, for updates. So they'll be starting to push information there. They have not offered any sort of subscription or automatic updates, so I'm going to be looking to do that myself to scrape the site for new information and try to be able to deliver it in a more automated way. But they did say that they will start putting information out regarding the IPO next week. One thing that will be different post-IPO is that if you need to make any sells or changes, you won't have to go through Columbia Property Trust or the transfer agent anymore. You'll be able to sell them directly through your brokerage account or wherever you custody the shares. So for example, if you have them in NFS or Fidelity or one of the custodians, and you decide it's time to sell, you'll be able to just do that like you would any other stock trade. So again, if you have any questions about it, I'll be continuing to try to get information from them to update you. Otherwise, just check back, and as I'm able to find it, I will try to get it out to you guys. Thanks.